All right, let's begin. Jasmine, if you're there with us, I'll begin with you.
Yes, please.
All right,
Please go
Jasmine,
ahead.
first of all, your thoughts on this order. It is being hailed as an order which is soft in nature. It is keeping in mind the fact that, okay, putting away all dogs could have solved a purpose, but that purpose could have only been solved, Jasmine, if there were enough shelters in Delhi NCR or the rest of the country as well. Without shelters, there could be a misuse as well as abuse of that order.
Unfortunately, I don't really agree with you. I'm sorry about this, but I do not agree.
That's okay.
Shelters
I'm not
can
here
never
to
be
talk
the
to you to
solution.
agree with me. I'm just telling you what has been said.
Shelters, see, shelters can never be a complete solution. One aspect is there are not enough number of shelters, so the order is not implementable. Even if the shelters are to be made, it will be a very expensive, a very Herculean task. It is waste of public money. Third, it is not scientific, it does not work. When you huddle 5 lakh, 10 lakh dogs in one space, all you're doing is you're breeding zoonotic diseases. You're taking away somebody's life. You're taking away somebody's freedom is not just freedom. You're taking away somebody's very existence by choking them in some shelters. There is so much of human shelters don't run properly. There is so much of corruption. There is so much of non-compliance. There is so much of lack of any proper life for the person in the shelter. And to put these voiceless animals who will be never be able to speak, I don't think that is the solution. So basically, it is not just that we don't have enough shelters, so they should not be put in shelters. They should not be put in shelters because that can never be the solution. The only proper scientific way to curb any issue with respect to street dogs is you vaccinate and you sterilize them, let them live their normal lifespan. When you sterilize a dog, it also reduces the dog's aggression. When you this is a very naturally, scientifically proven thing. Vets will tell you this. It will reduce the dog's aggression. Dogs who are well fed, well taken care of, sterilized, will all they do is eat, sleep, and they are very friendly because they're looking on to people too for their own food and their support. So they are not the ones who will attack. Why does attack happen? Because the dogs have flee or fight mindset. You attack a dog or you scare a dog or you threaten a dog, he will have that mindset. It's possible 4 people have tried to attack him, fifth person has done nothing, is walking past, but he feels that, oh, maybe this person will also, so he'll attack. So anyway, what I was saying was that when you sterilize a dog, it is so successful in so many cities in India and also abroad. You sterilize the dog, you vaccinate the dog so that there is no chance of any rabies. We have to achieve complete sterilization, and it has to be a fast process. It cannot be that today we sterilize, one colony, tomorrow 15 days, 30 days later, you sterilize another colony, they will breed. And by the way, even when you put dogs in shelters, you would have to sterilize them anyway if you did. For the reason being, they would breed there. You will never be able to keep up to the capacity. So you would have to sterilize. So
Okay.